Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a small program on comparing three numbers. So as the name states, we're going to take a user input form of three numbers from user and we'll store them in three variables. Then we're going to compare those three numbers together to find out the greatest number out of it. So the first thing, the focus skills will be we're going to learn how to make a copy of an existing project. We'll also learn about nested control structure. Nested means a control structure inside another control structure. For example, today we're going to do nested conditional structure. So it means an if condition inside another if condition, or any other conditional structure inside another conditional structure. Let's check the algorithm. So according to the algorithm of comparing three numbers, first of all, we need to read the three values of three variables. So we'll store them in three different variables. Then we're going to check if number A is greater than B. If the answer is yes, only then we need to understand, we need to compare A with C. Otherwise, there is no need to compare that if A is greater than C or not. Okay. This is like if you are doing one if condition and then on the basis of it, we're going to make check another if condition. This is called nested. Nest in if condition inside another if condition. If A is not greater than B, then there is no need to check that if A is greater than C or not, because it means B is greater than A. And it means A is not going to be the greatest at all. So there is no need to compare A is greater than C. So if A is not greater than B, then we'll go to else and then we'll check if B is greater than C or not. If the answer is yes, it means B is the greatest, otherwise C is the greatest. Let's check out the program for this. So as I've said that our focus skills are two. How to make a copy of an existing project. This project is comparing two numbers, so I'm going to click on File, make a copy of it. So when I say save as a copy, it's creating a copy of it. Once a copy is there, I can rename it and I can say comparing three numbers. For comparing three numbers, we need three variables. So I've chosen number one, number two, and number three as variable name. Now I have to set my initialization of the three variables. So I say set number one to 0, number two to 0, and number three to 0. Next step is to read the value for variable number one. I'm using text to speech extension here, which you can find the link below how to use it. And I'm going to ask please enter a number, and we're gonna whatever the answer is, I'm putting that answer and assigning that answer to the number one. Next, I'm gonna read the other number, please enter another number, and whatever the number is, that will go to the answer, and I'll put that value into number two. Okay, let's do read the value for the third variable also in the same way. Once we have read the three variables, now it's time to compare the numbers. First of all, we'll check if number one is greater than number two. I'm choosing if else here because if the condition is true, only then I'm going to compare it if number one is greater than number three or not. Okay. So if number one is greater than number three, it means that number one is the greatest. I've used here join block from the operator. So in operator, there is one operator to join any two strings together. So I have chosen number one is the greatest. So what is going to happen in number one? It's just going to show the value of number one. Okay, let's move on. If number one is greater than number two, only then we'll check if number one is greater than number three or not. Otherwise, there is no need to check. If if number one is not greater than number two, what will we do? It means we're going to check on number two. I'm using another if else condition. I'm putting it in else, inside an else, and then I'm going to compare that if number two is greater than number three. Okay, so instead of number two, sorry about this thing, I'm just gonna compare number two with number three. If number two is greater than number three, then I can say that number two is the greatest. So I'm just making a duplicate for ease. So right double click and say number two instead of number three. So number two is the greatest. If it is not, then it means number three. Enjoy and make your own program now.